In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from a Forex card to a UK bank account. It's a common question for people studying or traveling abroad. Let's jump right in. First, check if your Forex card provider allows transfers to bank accounts. Most major providers like Wise Travel Money, Revolut, or physical Forex cards from banks do offer this feature. Open the app or website of your Forex card provider and log into your account. Go to the section that says something like Send Money, Transfer, In or Withdraw. Now, select the local currency balance you want to transfer, usually GBP if you're sending to the UK. Look for an option that says Transfer to Bank Account or Withdraw to Bank. You'll need to enter your UK bank details, including full name of the account holder, bank name, sort code, account number. Some providers may also ask for a reason for transfer or your address. Just fill those in as needed. Review the amount, any fees, and confirm the transaction. The money usually arrives within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the provider and your bank. Quick tip: always double-check the bank details before sending. Even a small mistake can delay the transfer. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick money transfer tips. See you next time.